In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check when a Pinterest pin was created. If you've ever wanted to confirm the published date of one of your Pinterest pins, the good news is that Pinterest makes this information available directly inside the pin's analytics details. This is especially useful if you're tracking content performance, reviewing older posts, or simply trying to verify when something originally went live. To get started, open Pinterest and go to your profile. This is where you'll find the pins connected to your account, along with the content you've created and saved. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Created tab and tap on it. This section helps narrow things down so you can focus specifically on pins you've published yourself rather than all saved content. After that, find the specific pin you want to check and open it. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct pin, especially if you post similar images or content on related topics. Opening the exact pin is important because the date information you need is tied to that individual post. Once the pin is open, look just under the pin's title for the option labeled Pin Stats and tap on it. This will open the performance details for that pin. Depending on your app version or device, the layout may look slightly different, but the key thing you're looking for is the analytics or stats area connected to the pin. Inside that analytics breakdown, look for the published date details. This is where Pinterest shows when the pin was created or published. In other words, if you need to confirm the pin's original date, this is the section that gives you the answer. A helpful tip is to make sure you're checking a pin from your own created content, since the pin stats option is generally associated with pins you manage. If you don't immediately see the option, double check that you're in the Created tab and not viewing a saved pin from someone else's account. And that's all there is to it. Open Pinterest, go to your profile, tap Created, open the pin, select pin stats, and then review the published date in the analytics details. It's a quick and simple way to verify when a Pinterest pin was created. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.